Hi there, this is Jerry Coates, the Tech-Tosa at Rigetti High School. This video is about Flippity. It's the second Flippity video. This one will actually be one of the spreadsheet demonstrations. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a set of flashcards. So the first one here, we can look at the demo, see how these look. So capital of Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, we can shuffle them. Okay, so flashcards, we can make a list. Students have various ways of practicing, matching, etc. So, go back here. I'm going to get the template. It forces you to make a copy. So, we've talked about the fact that this requires Google Sheets. You need to be logged into a Google account. So, if you're familiar with Google Drive, hopefully that's easy for you. If you have a Gmail account, you are good to go. We're going to hit make a copy, and it's going to come up with the template with the different cities and countries. I'm going to delete all of their content here, and I have a list of words and definitions that I have prepared from To Kill a Mockingbird. I'm going to paste them in here, and I'm going to delete the colors on the other ones, just so it doesn't make me blank cards with colors. I want to change the title of the document. And get rid of the word template. Okay, so that's really all we have to do with the spreadsheet. We have a few more clicks. I'm going to go to File and then Publish to the Web. Okay, we have an option Link or Embed. You want the link, and hit Publish and agree yes, you want to publish it. And then we have this link that we need to copy and put into a new tab. Okay, so doesn't look a lot different. But this is where some people get stuck and wonder what they did wrong. There's just one more step. Get the link here and copy this link. Go into another tab and hit paste. So now the flashcards are with my words that I put in. I have the list. I have the different ways to practice. I have matching, a word cloud, all based on my own words that I put in. Okay, so that is how you use Flippity. This link that is right here on my actual flashcards, I can then save, and then I could bookmark it so I can get back to it. I could use bit.ly to make a short link in order to share this with my other students. So you have lots of options, but this is now a website that you have created that you can use in order to share these items with your students. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, give me a call or send me an email. Bye-bye.